Alright, Shalom, giving all praise to Yahweh Shem Yeshai, that one is to the elders, apostles, great millstone. So to that I can push this on to Syrian Truth. This is a quick video replying to Jamstars TV about recording on the phone. How do I record on the phone to upload these videos and do these lessons? You have an app that you can download from the Play Store called Record. Here, if I go on the Play Store, and it's free, by the way. It's supposed to be REC. There we go. Screen recorder, and it's free, so you can download it for free or whatever. And this is how I'll do my video. I'm just gonna do a short one quickly. So I'll go back into the app. Alright, so you click the app, and then you click audio so that your phone records the sound around you, and obviously your voice for doing the video. You do the duration of however long you think your video is going to be. Sometimes I might judge it incorrectly, so I'll try and do more time so that it doesn't cut me before I finish or close out the video. So say like I'll do one for like 5 minutes, or you can like add your own time, which is like 10 minutes or whatever. So we'll do 10 minutes, cool. The bit rate is like, what is it? Sorry, one sec. This is a good app to just do a quick video on your phone if you see something as well. It's the number of bits per second that can be transmitted along a digital network, or like say when recording, it's like the status of your recording, like sharpness and that. So it's like the speed that the audio and video file is like compressed. So I'll do mine to like 18, 15, around 18 or 15. The size, you don't really need to touch it unless you want to change the screen size. You can do your screen recording as well, but the file name I only do that when I upload the video. But I'll click here, record. So it says record will start capturing everything that's displayed on your screen, which is anything that's on your screen. Okay, when whatever you click on your screen is going to show or record. I'm going to start it. So it counts down. Bang. I'll go straight into like a I'll start with this. And then bang, like I'll go into the scripture, go into a topic. You can go into the news. Okay. That's the obviously that's you, bro, but yeah, man. It's as simple as that. Like, then when it's done, or say like if you want to finish it, where is it? You touch the screen to stop the recording. Then it should come up. There we go. So you click it and then it comes up. And then it shows you. Go into the scripture, go into a topic. You can go into the news. Okay. obviously it's you, bro. But yeah, man, it's as simple as that. Like, so you can see it records everything on your phone and everything like that, and it's simple, say, like, if you want to finish straightforward. You touch the screen. Just. Alright, so that's it there. Yeah, Shalom, man. Keep pushing, brother. Kwame Sharala.